Checkmate.
Oh! Again?
Obviously, you're not well suited for three-dimensional chess. Perhaps three-dimensional Candyland would be more your speed.
Just reset the board.
It must be humbling to suck on so many different levels.
Okay, well, let's jump right in. First question. For 10 points, what is the isospin singlet partner of the pi zero meson? PMS.
The Eta Meson.
Correct.
Formal protest.
On what grounds?
The Velcro on my wrist brace caught on my shirt.
Denied. All right, for 10 points, what is the lightest element on Earth with no stable isotope? AA.
And of course, the answer is technetium.
Terrific. Next question. What is the force between two uncharged plates due to quantum vacuum fluctuation? PMS.
Sheldon can suck on? The Casimir effect.
Correct. How does a quantum computer factor large numbers? PMS.
Shor's algorithm.
Correct.
4.1855 times 10 to the 7th ergs per calorie.
Prevost theory of exchanges.
Lambda equals 1 over pi r squared n.
760 degrees Celsius, the approximate temperature of the young lady in the front row.
Mr. Wolowitz, this is your second warning.
Get out!
She said shush, I should have shushed.
Everyone pay attention. Yes, I have a friend named Amy Farrah Fowler. Yes, she is female. Yes, we communicate on a daily basis, but no, she is not my girlfriend.
Okay, well, what do you communicate about?
Well, my work in physics, her work in neurobiology, and most recently, the possibility of our having a child together.
You.
Wait a minute, a child? You never see this girl. You just email and text and Twitter. Now you're considering having a baby?
Amy pointed out that between the two of us, our genetic material has the potential of producing the first in a line of intellectually superior benign overlords to guide humanity to a brighter tomorrow.
I'm guessing that future historians will condemn us for not taking this opportunity to kill Sheldon.
Hello, Professor Hoskins. Nice to see you, Mindy. Konnichiwa, Dr. Nakamura. Sorry the Swedes disproved your theory. Leonard, my door.
What about it?
Be a lamb and open it for me.
Why? What's the problem?
You think you have me stymied, don't you?
No, I think a doorknob has you stymied.
Oh, look, it's Leonard and R2D bag.
Well, that's my joke. I told it last night. You can't just use it.
Raj, be a lamb and open the door for me.
Oh, sure.
He's a lamb. You're not.
I'm a lamb. Oh, no. What? John and Yoko.
More like Yoko and Yoko.
Greetings. I brought Amy here to show her some of the work I'm doing.
It's very impressive for theoretical work.
Do I detect a hint of condescension?
I'm sorry, was I being too subtle? I meant compared to the real-world applications of neurobiology, theoretical physics is what's the word I'm looking for. Cute.
Are you suggesting the work of a neurobiologist like Babinski could ever rise to the significance of a physicist like Clark Maxwell or Dirac?
I'm stating it outright. Babinski eats Dirac for breakfast and defecates Clark Maxwell.
You take that back.
Absolutely not. My colleagues and I are mapping the neurological substrates that subserve global information processing, which is required for all cognitive reasoning, including scientific inquiry, making my research ipso facto prior in the Ordo Cognoscendi. That means it's better than his research, and by extension, of course, yours.
I'm sorry, I'm still trying to work on defecating Clark Maxwell.
Yeah, excuse me, but a grand unified theory, insofar as it explains everything, will ipso facto explain neurobiology.
Yes, but if I'm successful, I will be able to map and reproduce your thought processes in deriving a grand unified theory, and therefore subsume your conclusions under my paradigm.
That's the rankest psychologism. It was conclusively revealed as hogwash by Gottlieb Frege in the 1890s.
We appear to have reached an impasse.
I agree. I move our relationship terminate immediately.
Seconded.
There being no objections? The motion carries. Good day, Amy Farrah Fowler.
Good day, Sheldon Cooper.
Women, huh? Can't live with them, can't successfully refute their hypotheses.
Amen to that.
What are you doing up?
Sleep eludes me, Leonard.
Really? Maybe sleep has met you before.
Mockery? That's all you have to offer?
Sorry, why can't you sleep?
Who knows? I haven't watched any scary movies recently. I'm no longer obsessing over why the predicted mass of the quantum vacuum has little effect on the expansion of the universe. And it's been weeks since I took that accidental sip of Red Bull.
Something happened today that's bothering you?
Well, I did mention the Mars rover incident to that FBI agent and probably cost Howard his security clearance.
What?
But why should that keep me up?
Because you feel guilty?
Interesting. So you're saying my insomnia is caused by a guilty conscience?
Actually, you don't have insomnia. You're sleeping now.
Excuse me?
You're having a guilt-ridden dream.
Do you have any evidence to support that hypothesis?
How about that Gorn sitting on the couch?
That seems fairly conclusive. No, Gorn, no. That's where I sit.